Today we are at Infinity Mall in Mumbai. We're looking for India's next top international model. This is the Max Elite Model Look 2015. यहाँ पर we're looking for the best boy and the best girl who will represent India internationally. ये जो final होगा शायद रोम में या चाइना में. So we're looking at the next international model who will win from India and represent India internationally. The judges today we have from Elite in Paris. We have Jennifer. वो बहुत important lady है क्योंकि उसको जानकारी बहुत है कि international model को क्या क्या होने चाहिए, their qualities and their standards. We have one of Bollywood's favorite designers and a great men's designer, Troy Coster. And we also have Elena Fernandez. She's with Elite Model Agency in New York and a supermodel. We've got good talent today. यहाँ पर जो talent जो आए हैं, they're fresh, young, energetic. Packaging अच्छी है. So they're fresh, they're tall, good body, good charisma, and a lot of good attitude. And when they come on the runway, the whole package is important. I think Mumbai में the girls have a lot more confidence. ज़्यादा style है compared to the other cities where we've gone to because यहाँ पर exposure ज़्यादा है. I think they're a lot more confident, a lot more sure, and when they walk on the runway, there's a different charm about them altogether. अभी कल we have the national castings in Delhi. फिर उसके बाद they will stay with us for 10 days. वहाँ पर training होगा, grooming होगा. We have an international runway coach coming down from Milan, from Paris, and they will walk and teach the girls and boys how to walk and give them a lot of tips on fitness, health, skincare. And the finale will be on the 23rd of September, where one boy and one girl will win. You know, these boys, they need to be groomed. ज़्यादा boys and girls यहाँ पर underexposed है और they don't know what to do. तो जब आते हैं हमारे पास बिल्कुल raw हैं, फिर उनके बाद train करते हैं, grooming करते हैं, फिर then they go forward. So a little tips, hair style क्या करना है, कपड़े क्या पहन रहे हैं. We style them a little bit. When they come and stay with us for 10 days, then we give them a total makeover. Thank you.
Sorry. Hi, I'm Troy Costa. Oh, it's an amazing event. Elite is the top modeling agency of the world. In the past, we've had models such as Giselle Bündchen and Cindy Crawford, to name a few. I think this is its second season, so we have chosen a few nice young boys and girls who will participate in the finale in Delhi. And I think we're looking forward to a great choice of guy and girl who will go to Paris to the final event. Sorry? बॉलीवुड के बारे में I don't think the talent is still fully available, but I think as Elite, we have another season and another season and another season. We will see more young boys and girls stepping out and taking part in this competition. Thank you.
But when you have that little spark, that little edge, so that kind of made it easier, but it's still tough. Don't give up. If you truly believe that modeling is your passion, just remember there is a whole world out there. There's not just India, even though I love India and I'm half Indian, there is a whole world out there. There's different markets for you to try out, and you just have to persist. If you're really passionate about it, give it your all and try and travel the world. The whole thing with modeling is that you get to travel the world. You get to experience so many amazing opportunities. You go to amazing places, great shoot locations. But it's not all about the glitz and glamour. There is, on the other side of it, this is a job. And it's really, really hard working. So only the strong will get to the top. But just don't give up.
Any Indian actor watching Indian films?
Yeah, I got my film with Nazaruddin Shah out next month. End of October, our film comes out. Charlie Kichaka Mein. So I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to it. So,
Which is your favorite actor in Bollywood in India?
does it have to be a guy or a girl? I like Katrina. Katrina. I think she's so sweet. I mean, she's such a nice person, and you know, she's the original Bollywood queen. No one can take her crown. Even if I try, I'm not going to take her crown.
And male, Katrina, female, and male.
God, there's so many. There's Shah Rukh, there's Salman, and there's Nazaruddin. So my loyalty is with Nazaruddin because of our film.
And
That's
you try to acting in India and in Sarawak in future.
Yeah. So I have my film out next month on October 30th, and then we'll see what happens after that. I'm very excited. You know, like I'm half Indian. India has always been so great to me. I've done everything here as a model that I'm already a supermodel now. It just makes sense to go into Bollywood. So we'll see. Thank you.